Hey guys, it's Warren here. I'm in Sparta, Wisconsin. I work with a company called Seamless Roofs, and we also work with the Roofer Help, helping contractors, just training them how to inspect roofs, quote roofs, and then install commercial roofs. And so I'm just going to show you guys really quick today how we go about inspecting our rubber roof systems, our EPDM, our TPO, and our PVC roof systems. And I just have a little package together here, a kit, an inspection kit. I'm also going to bring with me safety glasses, a hard hat, and safety shoes if possible. Don't always have to wear them, but in a lot of places when you go in they ask if you have them, so I would recommend taking these with you. So today we're actually here at our warehouse in Sparta, and there's a couple other buildings here, and we're going to go up there and inspect one of those rubber roofs that we have a contract on. So it's going to show you guys what we look for and how we go about doing the inspections. So let's go. So what we have here is a fully adhered EPDM roof, and just a small roof, probably 30 or 40 square. So one thing we're going to look for is the seams. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to pull my phone out, and I'm going to use Company Cam. Company Cam is a program that we use to take pictures before, during, and after of all of our projects, and then also with all of our inspections. So I'm just going to pull that up with the current location here. We have a project saved here. We're going to go ahead and just take some pictures. All right, so we're going to start with seams. Here we've got some seams that are open. We need to do those repairs on that. We're also going to look for any ponding water, which this roof has really good slope. So you always want to check for ponding water and slope. One thing that we use if we're not sure about slope, or if it's tapered already, if we need to add a tapered system, we use a level, which is just super easy, and we're going to check and see which way it's sloped. So here I can obviously tell the roof's got a pretty good pitch on it, probably a 1/4 inch slope. So always want to have one of these in your inspection toolbox, and then you can go and make sure that it has some slope. Another thing we're going to check for on these roofs is moisture. There's a couple different ways that we do that. Now, the first one's a physical moisture check, where we're going to do a core sample. Other than that, like I said, we checked for seams. We've done a core sample. We're going to check around the protrusions. I'm just going to take my wheel and I'm going to get a measurement. So I'll do that next. You can pick these up at any hardware store, really. I get these at Fleet Farm. I like these the best. So we got 50 feet. So now I'm going to use another program that I like to use, which is called Job Nimbus. And I'm just going to go in and I'm going to make a note that's 50 feet long. Here's something we can show the building owner. We probably have a leak right here. For some reason that screw's backed out. So we'll show that. We'll take some pictures of that, and we'll get a measurement for width. All right, 50 by 62. So we put it in our notes, and we're good to go on that. So this is pretty much all we have to look for on these rubber roofs. Just make sure and take your time, don't rush through these. The building owner's like a real inspection report with lots of pictures. So don't rush it. Do a very thorough inspection. We're going to look at the edges. The edges are always just be safe, but always take a look at your edges, make sure they're not peeling loose. And if you're going to need to put new trim on, you're going to get some good pictures of these edges to see what you're going to need for that. Good measurements and pictures. So these roofs are really fun to restore, and that's what we look for. This one we're going to come in and pressure wash it, and then we're going to put down a primer, put down a coating in fabric, and then a white top coat for an energy efficient, seamless, waterproof roof. So that's it for today.